quiet of the night by the Tuscan sea, a lens and a dream changed history. He turned his glass toward the moon so wide, saw mountains and shadows on the other side. The heavens weren't perfect, the spheres weren't divine. They were worlds like ours, drawn in dust and time. Eyes to the heavens, through the glassy seas, worlds in motion, truths that disagree. Oh, the sky's not still, it's alive, it's free, and it turns, turns, turns around the sun, not me. Four little moons around Jupiter spun, a dance of the planets, each one by the sun. He wrote what he saw, though they called it sin. Said the universe moves, and we move within. Venus waxed and waned like our own pale face, proof in the light that the earth's not the place. Eyes to the heavens, through the glassy seas, worlds in motion, truths that disagree. Oh, the sky is not still, it's alive, it's free, and it turns, turns, turns around the sun, not me. Through the silence of the church's halls, he whispered the truth through the telescope's calls. The stars were a map, not a painted dome, and the cosmos at last became our home. Now centuries pass, and we still look high, through metal and mirrors, at the endless sky. From Galileo's lens to the Hubble's eye, we're still asking who and where and why. Eyes to the heavens, what he dared to see changed our place in eternity. From earthbound faith to cosmic sea, we turn, 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 forever free. They still move, he said, with quiet grace, and the stars took their rightful place.